Hello everyone, in today's video I'll talk about how I trade cryptocurrencies, what indicators I use, and how I use them. So first, I use the MACD indicator using divergence and convergence for bearish and bullish signals. I also use the RSI indicator to buy dips, like right here, right here. And then I also used Bollinger Bands. I don't really use it that much, but I just like to use it like when I shouldn't enter a trade or what I should. I'll get to that in a few minutes. And I use this stochastic RSI. So I like to buy it when it's near the bottom, like the MFI is just like the RSI. So as you can see here, we have like, say I have the Ethereum chart brought up. So what I like to do first, let me delete all my things so I can start from scratch. So what I first like to do is basically mark horizontal lines where basically the price has rejected, or we call it just resistance lines. So as you can see here, we had a price rejection here, then we had a breakout, now we had a price rejection here. And this, as you can see, these levels kind of stay the same. Like added rejection here and rejection here. So this would have been a good short position at that time. So, sorry, one second. So then we can mark another one, see right here, because that had a strong rejection. And right here, because this had some really nice support, and over here supported. So now we got those. So now I want to talk to you about something like DCA, what I like to call dollar cost averaging. So as you can see here, in this areas especially, we would have like a strong reversal. Actually, let me, like right here. So these areas is where you do something called dollar cost averaging. So basically what you do, like you right here, you would enter your trade because this is a really strong support area for Ethereum. But then as it goes down more, you buy more. So at the top position right here, you don't buy a full position, you buy like a fourth of the position. You buy more, and then so in this area, you just buy at different levels, basically essentially averaging down. And then as you can see, we got these resistance, but you can also use diagonal support and resistance lines like this. This is a diagonal line, had a reversal right here, reversal of reversal. So basically, you would think that once it hits here, it would reverse back up. But the thing about these is you need basically strong rejections of these support lines. As you can see here, we had a strong rejection right here because it's just went straight up. And right here, we didn't really have that much of a down candle. But as you can see here, this had a really down candle on it, so it wasn't the best. It was rejection. But as you can see, this one was a really nice rejection because of this candle. So then this would basically go out more. And that's just basically how I find trades to alert is I basically have this watch list right here. So these are just like generic like cryptocurrencies. And I basically have my TA for like all of these cryptos already done. So like just like spend like a day, just like have a list, make a list, and just put down your TA like major like horizontal levels and basically like diagonal levels too. And then these like every day you just go through, like I just go through all of these charts and like look for ones that would be at a support area. So I just go through here, here, here. But two coins you just want to do some extra analysis on is Bitcoin and Ethereum because these are like the big coins, and if you're like bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, most likely the altcoins also you would also be bullish on the altcoins. So as you can see here, sushi, which I learned earlier today, I learned for like a breakout. As you can see here, we almost had a breakout, but then we had a breakdown. Because basically what this means is you want, as a breakout, you want the candle closed like really above. So like example, this would be a nice breakout because it closed like pretty above it. As you can see, this isn't a nice breakout because it went above, but it went back down, meaning it had a price rejection of this level. And generally, what we do is when we have resistance level like this, price goes up. You have two things that could happen. You go down, you reject, and then go up, and go down, and then you go up. And this is like what happened here. Up, you had a rejection. Go down here. It's like a pullback. Or another thing that could happen is you break through, you have a pullback, and then you go up. So basically, if you're trading breakouts, I would basically only hold for like one candle maximum. And as you can see, I trade the 4-hour candle, basically not really day trading, but some you could get some day trades here if you get like trade breakouts, which I sometimes do. And now I also use the Heiken Ashley candle. So as you can see, once you have like a green, like a red one, a green one, really strong green one right here, this is not a strong green candle because as you can see, we got a big part in the candle in the bottom, a big part in the top. This one is very bullish indicator because as you can see, there's nothing at the bottom, meaning there wasn't really like that much volatility, and this one is just strong upward. So as you can see, this would definitely break out because of its strong patterns. But something you need to look at is the volume right here. Let's go to normal candles. As you can see here, we are starting to get like, so you see a breakout right here. Once it broke out, we had bigger volume. But as you can see here, once we reached the resistance levels, we had lower volume right here. Right here, lower volume basically means this breakout isn't. This basically won't break out. It'll be a breakdown. Hopefully next time around it'll break out. But this would be a good short play right now. And basically how you would make your take profit levels is you basically just go support and resistance levels. So if you were to short right here, you'd basically short all the way down to this support level. Now, sometimes you would actually not always do that because if you pull out the hiking cash candles, so if you were to short this, right, you want to go down, but say midway it's green hiking ash candle starts to form, then you would sell because those are bullish indicators. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, you can DM me on Discord or comment down below.